This world is not what you think it is. This world is not what you think it is.
Thank you.
Can I ask the pilots one question?
The first officer's here.
Do you mind?
He's got a question for you.
Oh, yeah.
Hello, mate. How are you?
Yeah, good.
I'm a fellow, Casey Josh. I'm a fellow, just PPL, pilot.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
I got a couple of serious questions to ask you.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah, that's big time. Curvature.
Curvature.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We don't allow for curvature, do we?
For anything, not for you usually. Yeah.
No, we're round. We're a disc, aren't we? Round and flat.
Sneak past
Yeah.
you, sorry.
Hey, look. Honestly, quite seriously,
Yeah.
we are, aren't we?
Yeah.
Thank you, mate. Thank you for being honest. Can I ask you one more serious question?
Yeah, go for it.
I just got one question to ask. Flat or a ball?
Flat or a ball? What's that?
Well, I never feel as breaking round. If we live on a ball, surely we'd have to fly around it. Yeah, it feels like flat or a ball.
Flat, not a ball. I think it's flat.
Yeah, me too.
Pretty flat to me.
It certainly does, doesn't it? And you've got that flight instrument down there to keep it flat.
Gravity exists.
Gravity? There's an unproven theory.
No, it's not.
Let's rock and roll. Cheers, fellas. Thank you very much.
Are you the pilot? Oh, okay. Yes. Am I allowed to say hi? Hey, I just want to say thanks for the smooth flight.
Right.
I did have one question. Is there like a specific angle of downward tilt you have to fly at to
3 degrees.
3 degrees
That's it.
for the curvature of the Earth?
Oh, for the Earth?
Because
No, we just fly over the troposphere.
really.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
do you have to keep like kind of going down because?
No, we actually have to nose up. It flies like that.
Really? Because I was reading some stuff on the flat Earth that made a lot of sense. Have you looked into it?
This one, sorry.
I was reading a lot of stuff on the flat Earth.
Okay, yeah. True.
It's true?
Yep.
Okay,
Yeah.
alright, cool.
All
Hey,
right.
God bless, brother.
All right. Have a good one.
You too.
I'm sorry, pilot. Can I have a quick word with the pilots? I just want pilot talk. I just want to ask him about something about the plane.
Pardon?
Something about the plane. Just pilot talk.
Oh, you don't? Yeah, okay. All right, sorry.
Thank you.
Sorry, I just gotta-
Yeah, absolutely, I understand that these days. G'day guys.
How you going?
Just a fellow PPL,
Oh yes.
you know,
yeah,
but yeah. Casey, how are you, mate?
Nice to meet you.
Pleased to meet you guys.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm going to ask you a question.
Yeah.
I've been flying,
Yeah.
and I've come to the conclusion
Yeah.
there is no curvature. I never allow for curvature. There's no way there's curvature. We're round and flat, aren't we?
Definitely.
We are, aren't we?
Flat as a
Thank
pancake,
you,
mate.
sir.
Flat as a pancake.
We're so, and the outer ring is south.
Yeah.
And so north must be in the middle, correct?
Possibly.
That
Yeah.
would be the only way that a
Yeah.
magnetic compass would works on a flat plane.
Might be onto something there.
Yeah,
Might be
but
onto something.
you're not having me on. We
No,
are.
I'm having you
We're
on.
round and flat,
Flat
aren't
as a
we?
pancake, mate. Yeah. There you go.
Thank you, man.
No worries.
You made my
Don't
day.
let people just don't know that.
But,
Yeah.
yeah, well,
There
you
you
know,
go.
I tell a few people, especially some close mates, even
Yeah,
though
yeah.
even though I'm a pilot,
Yeah.
they laugh their heads off at me.
That's
Think I'm
it.
an absolute nut job.
Ah. Nah.
Hey, thanks, guys.
Okay, no worries, mate.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you.
This world is not what you think it is. This world is not what you think it is.